Hi, WeeklyTekk here. In this video we will explain 100% working hacking techniques using social engineering. I will also explain how to avoid this kind of social engineering attacks. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. This video is not promoting or motivating anyone or someone to hack or use social engineering attacks. But before we start, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe now to this channel.
Do it!
There are various types of social engineering attacks to hack your Facebook or any social media accounts, online banking and others. So, it's important to understand what is social engineering, as well as how it works. Once we know the basic about social engineering, it's much easier to spot social engineering attacks. These are the most common and most working social engineering attacks. 1. Sending SMS or texting. This attack uses a sending SMS to gain attention and catch the victim into providing information. For instance, pretending a mobile network company saying that you have won 1 million and they are asking for you to sign up on a given link. Once you sign up, all of your valuable information will be known to them. 2. Phishing. Phishing attacks involve an email or text message pretending to be from a trusted source, asking for information. A well-known type is the email purportedly from a bank wanting its customers to confirm their security information and directing them to a fake site where their login credentials will be recorded. Other type of this is through Facebook sending you a link asking for your support to vote them on a photo contest and will redirect you to a fake website, and all of a sudden your login credentials were already stolen by the attackers. 3. Email hacking. This type of attack involves hacking into an individual's email or social media accounts to gain access to contacts. After, they will pretend to be that individual who they have access to the email address and ask for money from your family member or loved ones. Or the friend may forward a must-see video which links to malware or to a keylogging Trojan. As they trusted you, because they know it was you, they will send money or access that link. 4. Farming or relationship building. These attacks involve forming a relationship with the target to extract more information over a longer time frame. This is known as farming and is riskier for the attacker. There's more chance they will be found out. But if their infiltration is successful, it can deliver far more information. These are some tips on how to avoid social engineering attacks. Social engineering attacks are predominantly difficult to counter because they're specifically intended to play on natural human characteristics, such as curiosity, respect for authority, and the desire to help one's friends. There are a number of tips that can help notice social engineering attacks. These are the following. 1. Verify the source. Verifying the source isn't difficult. For instance, with an email or SMS sent to you, look at the email header and check against valid emails from the same sender. Look at where the links go. Check URL by simply pointing your cursor over them. Do not click the link though. Check the spelling. Banks or networks company have whole teams of qualified people dedicated to producing customer communications, so an email with obvious errors is probably a fake. If in doubt, go to the official website and get in contact with an official representative, as they will be able to confirm if the email message is official or fake. 2. Basic information of you. Does the source not have information you'd expect them to have, such as your full name, etc.? Remember, if a bank is phoning you, they should have all of that data in front of them, and they will always ask security questions before allowing you to make changes to your account. If they don't, then the chances of it being a fake email call message are significantly higher, and you should be wary. 3. Pause and think for a moment. Hacking or social engineering often depends on a sense of urgency. Attackers hope their targets will not think too hard about what's going on. So just taking a moment to think can prevent these attacks or show them for what they are, fakes. Ring the official number or go through the official website URL rather than giving data out on the phone or clicking on a link. Use a different method of communication to check out the source's credibility. For instance, if you get an email from a friend or family members asking you to transfer them money, text them on their mobile or call them to verify whether it's really them. 4. Be realistic. Some social engineering or hacking attacks work by trying to trick you into not being analytical and taking the time to assess whether the situation is realistic or not can help detect many attacks. For example, if your friend or family member was really stuck in some place with no way out,
Would they send you an email or would they ring you, text you as well? The answer is no. Is it likely that a mobile network company will give you $1 million without any raffle or contest that you had joined? Would the bank ring up asking for your account details? In fact, many banks note when they send emails to their customers or talk to them on the phone. So double check if you're not sure. 5. Think about your personal information shared publicly online. You might also want to give some thought to your public information online. Sharing personal information online, such as through Facebook or any other social media, can help attackers. For instance, many banks use common security questions like what is the name of your first grade teacher? Did you share that on Facebook? If so, you could be exposed. In addition, some social engineering attacks will try to gain credibility by referring to recent events you may have shared on social networks. We recommend you turn your social media settings to friends only or keep your personal information private and be careful of what you share. Think about other aspects of your life that you share online. If you have an online employment credentials, for instance, you should consider removing your address, phone number and date of birth. These are all useful information for anyone planning a social engineering attack. Your information private, send it as needed. Social engineering is very dangerous because it takes perfectly normal situations and manipulates them for mean ends. However, by being fully aware of how it works and taking basic precautions, you'll be far less likely to become a victim of social engineering. Please watch also my other videos, how you can turn on your two-factor authentication and using hardware key to log into your email or social media accounts. If you find this video helpful, please comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe now to this channel.